Hello guys, good morning. How are you all? I hope you are all fine. So, I'm sorry that I have not been making any videos for few days. Today I have come to talk something in front of camera and with you. I will make videos regularly, no problem. I am preparing myself and I request to you please help me and support me. If I make any mistakes, so please you forgive me. Because mistaking is a part of life and we make mistakes. We make lots of mistakes in our daily life. No problem by making mistakes. We can be perfect. Yes, we know this. So why should I be worried? Yes, never we should be worried. Always we should be feeling happy. So conversation videos I will try to make and sometimes structured videos and one grammar I will make videos, okay? So just I request you please support me. As you can see, I am in my reading room and this is my bed. I sleep in this bed. So guys, happy learning and try to be positive always and make your life peaceful. Okay? Because never lose your heart in any situation. Always try to be happy. Okay? And don't depressed anytime. Always feel happy because happy life learn many things. Yes? Yes. No problem. Because in life sometimes sadness comes, sometimes happiness comes in life. So happiness, both happiness and sadness will come in our daily life. So no problem, they will come and go. So we need to be happy always. So that's all for the timing for today. Okay, so always be positive, think positive, do positive, and feel happy. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next videos.